I am a caveman, and I speak poorly. I explain complex money things so simple even a rock understands. Today's topic is real estate investing, the thing modern people fear more than fire, but want more than meat during tribe winter. Listen, modern human, real estate is simple. You buy land, you own land, you let someone live on land. They pay you shiny numbers every month. You get richer while doing absolutely nothing, except not dying. In my tribe, we called this being clever, because only stupid hunter works for every mammoth he eats. People today overcomplicate it. They think they need towers, castles, giant caves with waterfalls. No. In my tribe, wealth started with one small cave. Just one. If cave had dry floor and didn't smell like dead mammoth, someone would gladly pay me shells to live there. That was first passive income in human history. And yes, I invented it way before taxes invented themselves. Most people fear real estate because what if something breaks? Ha! When mammoth breaks cave wall, that is real problem. When toilet breaks, that's nothing. Modern human cries too much. You have tools, you have plumbers, you have YouTube. My tribe had rocks, sticks, and one guy who pretended to be expert because he once saw wall fall. Here is how you actually get rich. You buy a place people want to live in, not perfect, not fancy, just safe, solid, not full of angry animals. Then someone pays you to stay there. They pay your loan, they pay your expenses, and after enough moons, you own land completely, while they funded the whole hunt for you. This is the moment where Caveman feels godlike. And here is the magic part most modern humans totally miss. Real estate grows in value while you sleep. Cave today worth 10 stones. Cave in 5 winters worth 15 stones. Why? Because land is limited. No new earth growing out of ground. Scarcity makes wealth rise. Even saber-toothed tigers understand that. Only humans do not. Let me break it down even simpler. Imagine you buy a cave for 100 meat pieces. You rent it for 10 meat pieces every moon. After some moons, you've paid off cave, you own cave, and still meat keeps coming. This is called free meat forever. Humans today call it cash flow. But trust me, my version tastier. Now the part that truly separates rich cavemen from poor hunters. You do this again. And again, and again. When I got my 2nd cave, tribe thought I insane. When I got my 5th cave, tribe thought I magician. When I got my 10th cave, tribe asked if I could invent soap. I said no. But I invented portfolio expansion long before any human could spell that. Okay, now that your brain warmed by fire, let me finally name modern words for things I explained. When place grows in value over time, that is called appreciation. When someone else's rent pays your loan for you, that is called leverage. When every month you keep extra shiny numbers after expenses, that is called cash flow. When you own many caves, so one broken toilet does not ruin your life. That is called diversification. You see, there is no mystery, no magic, no secret tribe ritual, just land, patience, calm brain, and the ability to ignore stupid hunters who say, "It too hard." These hunters always stay poor. You, modern human, can be smarter. Now, you wise, you strong, you smell like future real estate tycoon. You watch, you subscribe. We are both happy.